Good morning, our viewers at home or anywhere you're watching us at this moment. It's another time to learn a very interesting topic in mathematics. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new on this channel so you can enjoy our subsequent videos. Now, today we are looking at a very interesting topic that says direct derivation. Don't forget we have different types of derivation. We have direct variation, we have inverse variation, we have joint variation, some people call it mixed variation, and we have the partial variation. So in our subsequent video, we'll be treating the inverse variation, the joint variation, and the partial variation. But for today, we're looking at direct variation. Looking at this example, with p varies directly as y, p is 20 when y is 5. We're asked to write an equation for the relationship of p and y. Also, we're asked to find the constants. Thirdly, find y when p is 4. And lastly, find p when y is 2. Now, let's move on to the question. We're not going to start from question A because in writing the equation, we need this constant. So which means for us to solve this question, we have to start from question B. That makes the answer balanced. So we're going to start from what? From question B. So now let's start the solution. I have my question A here yet to be touched. So I'm going to start from question B. And when I'm done, I will go back to question A because I need the constant. And in variation, the constant is being represented by letter K. Is being represented by letter K. So now let's move on. I'm going to derive the constant from the question given to us. The question says P varies directly as Y. So let me use this P. Though this is the sign of varies, let me still use that sign for now. P varies directly as Y. Directly as Y. Then I'm going to add the constant beside letter Y. P varies directly as Y. If the question says Y varies directly as P, it will be Y varies directly as P. Then I will put K. So let's move on. The question here, we have P, the value of P to be what? 20. So I'm going to put 20 here. And to make my calculation easy, I'm going to change this sign to equals to for now. Equals to Y is what? 5. 5. And I'll put my K. And when I have 20 is equals to 5K, it means I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient of K. So, divided by 5, divided by 5. And by so doing, 5 in 20, I have 4. So I can say 4 is equal to 5. But let me just simply put it here. So therefore, 4 is equals to K. Sorry for that. And if 4 is equals to K, then K is equals to 4. So I have solved question 2. And I will take the value of this K because it will be used in other questions. The value of K is 4. Then I will come back to this question. Write an equation for the relationship. Don't forget P varies directly as Y and I have the constant here. So which means anywhere I see the constant, I'm going to represent it with what? 4. So P varies directly as Y. This is how it should have been. But in mathematics, numbers will come before alphabet. So I can't say P varies as Y4. No, it should be 4Y. Hope you understand. This simply means Y multiplied by 4. It is correct, but we can't represent this in mathematics. You can't do it this way. So which means I'm going to write this way. P varies as 4Y. So this is the relationship, and our value for the constant is what? Is 4. Now we are good to go to solve question C and question D. Now in question C, find Y when P is 4. Don't disturb yourself, just bring out this relationship. P varies directly as 4Y. And I'm going to change this sign to what? To equals to. P is equals to 4Y. Then back to the question, it says find Y when P is 4. So anywhere I see P, I'm going to put what? 4. So 4, but the 4 here is not the 4 of this constant. It's not the 4. So P is 4 in this question. 4 equals to what? 4Y. And don't forget, I will divide both sides by the coefficient of Y. That is 4. 4 is dividing both sides, and by so doing, I'll be having 1. So 1 is equals to Y. So therefore, Y is equals to 1. Then the last question, find P when Y is equals to 2. I'm still going to write this out. P varies as 4Y. P is equals to 4Y. Anywhere I see Y, I'm going to put the number 2. So P is equals to 4. Don't forget 4Y means 4 times Y. 4 multiplied, and my value of Y is what? 2 multiplied by 2. So P equals to 8. As simple as that. So the first thing to calculate is the constant, and once you get the constant, get your relationship right. At times you won't be asked to write out the relationship as a formula. At times you won't be asked to find the constant, but you must have the two. In some questions you will just see something like this: C, find Y when P is 4, find P when Y is 2. But at the back of your mind, you must know that you have to find your constant and you have to get the relationship right. So that's all for now on the topic direct variation. We are still going to give us more examples on direct variation, and in our subsequent video we are still going to look at inverse variation, joint variation, and partial variation. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.